so definitely I would like you to do the forward way parking in any convenient way. What's up?
That one just a little bit, almost outside there.
Are you pass or you fail for that?
I think I passed because I'm still inside.
You're still inside?
Yes.
You're touching the line, yeah?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Okay, that's fine. If you're touching the line, you still pass. You don't need to do anything, yes? If you're crossing that line,
I'll just
overlapping,
adjust.
yeah, then you need to do the
Adjust it.
fixation, the correction. Okay, by destiny, you failed the test for the parking.
Oh,
You know why?
yes, observation.
You didn't do no observation on the right side. You know, when he was doing
Very
right, yeah?
true. I should have checked
You should have,
properly.
yeah, you should have looked over the shoulder, the blind spot. You didn't do that. You was checking that mirror.
Very true.
Yes?
Yeah, I'll do better.
Rest, it was
next
okay.
time. Yeah.
Yeah. So next time, please make sure whenever you do the parking, just stop. Why are you doing in a rush manner? Yeah.
Yeah.
Why are you in a rush? Just relax, okay? Or do full observations.
Okay.
Because I wouldn't recommend you to do like that in the way you just done now, straight away into the bay. Yeah. Slow down, look full around. Yeah. All around observations, and then you park it. In that case, you're not gonna miss your shoulder. But if you remember and if you check your shoulder, then it's fine.
Very true.
Then you could have done that. All right, no problem. Reverse back. Okay, take the car out of the bay and go that directions. Okay, on the left side. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. Okay, I want you to do the reverse way parking in any convenient way, please now.
Reverse. Okay.
Yeah, reverse way. What's up?
Yes.
Are you okay? Is this pass?
Yes.
100%? Have you done good observations?
Yes.
What did you do?
I checked 6-1 first. Then when I put the signal, I checked again. I kept checking till I got him.
Very good. Well done. Yes, congratulations. So your reverse way parking was perfectly fine. You see, you're inside the lines, okay? And on top of that, you've done good observations. You was looking all around and the speed was in control as well. Well done. Yeah. Drive on and go that direction, please, on the left side. Okay, just pull up on the left here, just here. Okay, so definitely I would like you to do the parallel parking between those two cars. It will be a bit tight, a bit difficult. Let's see how do you do it, yeah?
Okay.
Going too close. Look at that. So where is the curb?
Yeah.
So why are you not going close to the curb?
Let me try again.
Okay. This is the last chance, yeah?
Yes.
You got only one chance.
Yeah. It's locked, fully locked. Let me put it like this. Yeah.
To yourself.
Okay. I'm not getting this one.
Okay. Stop it. Stop. Thank you. Yes? You can do it. You're not even going close to the curb.
Yeah.
Let alone you're going to park it. Understand?
Yeah.
So no problem. I'll teach you again, yes? Let's drive one when you're ready, please.
Okay.
So your reverse way parking is good. You done it properly. You're forward, you failed. You're parallel, you failed. Okay, can you pull up on the right? Up there near to that curb, please, yeah? On the right side. I'm checking all your maneuvers, yes? All 4 maneuvers. Pull up on the right, near to that curb, please. The examiner will ask you, pull up on the right when it is safe to do so. Near to the curb, near to the curb.
Yeah.
I'm just checking how good you are on the reversing back.
Okay.
Yeah, go a bit close. That's it. And get the car straight. That's it. Alright? Reverse back 2 cars length, please. What's up? What happened?
I was turning the steering to this side. I would have just left it.
What left it? What happened?
It was going this side.
Yeah, but what happened actually?
I don't know.
Didn't you feel that you hit the curb?
Yeah. I hit the car.
You hit the curb and you
Yeah.
failed the test. And that's what I wanted to know.
Yeah.
How good you are on the reversing back. Why are you picking the pace?
Oh, yeah.
That's one thing. Yes?
Yeah.
Do slowly. Keep the car straight. Your steering was straight. You were perfectly fine. You don't need to the curb like a 1 foot here.
Then
So
I
keep it
was
straight.
turning.
Keep the steering straight. Why are you just turning it? Yes? Because your car is swerving that way.
Yeah.
And when the car is swerving that way, it's going to obviously hit it. Either it's going to be your front wheel is going to hit the curb or your back wheel is going to hit the curb because you are only 1 foot away.
Yeah.
Understand? So that's what happened. Okay. So now, secure the car.